Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford Edge engine stalling and discusses possible causes that may lead to the engine shutting off unexpectedly while driving, idling, or coming to a stop. Engine stalling in the Ford Edge can occur under different driving conditions and may present as sudden loss of power, rough idle followed by shutdown, or the engine turning off without warning. The way this issue appears can vary by model year, engine type, mileage, and overall vehicle condition, and it may not affect every Ford Edge in the same way. In verified technical discussions and service documentation, engine stalling may indicate issues related to fuel delivery consistency, airflow management, ignition timing control, or electronic engine management systems. In some cases, stalling can be associated with sensor readings that fall outside expected ranges or software logic that reacts to operating conditions rather than a confirmed mechanical failure. Older generations may experience stalling linked to more basic engine control systems, while newer models could show behavior related to advanced electronic monitoring. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General guidance often includes checking for diagnostic trouble codes, observing whether stalling occurs at idle, during acceleration, or at stops, and monitoring for warning lights or drivability changes. Addressing engine stalling usually requires proper inspection rather than assumption, as multiple systems can influence engine operation. In conclusion, engine stalling in the Ford Edge is not always caused by a single fault and can differ across generations and usage conditions. Understanding the possible causes can help with informed diagnosis, but each case should be evaluated individually. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.